Welcome! Ever wondered what significant moments unfolded on December 11th throughout history? Let's take a quick journey back in time. On this day in 1941, Germany and Italy declared war on the United States, a pivotal moment that reshaped the course of World War II. Just a few years earlier, in 1937, the Nanjing Massacre began, a tragic event with devastating consequences. Looking further back in 1816, Indiana officially became the 19th state to join the United States. And in 1901, Guglielmo Marconi sent the first transatlantic radio signal, a groundbreaking achievement that revolutionized communication. These are just a few glimpses into the rich tapestry of events that have marked December 11th. Thank you for joining us on this historical exploration. We hope you found it insightful.